Peace, family. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about EOSCAR and what it stands for. Now, what it stands for, and excuse me for looking down because I have it written down to make sure that I'm giving you guys the most accurate information. Now, EOSCAR stands for Electronic Online Solutions for Complete, Accurate Reporting. And what it's designed for is automated credit dispute verification via the processor at the companies. Now, what are the companies, you ask? The companies are the credit bureaus. Now, these companies utilize this system, EOSCAR, via the processors at these companies. So, with TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, the three credit bureaus, they're located out of the country. And this is all going to come to a close towards the end of the video. Now, in TransUnion, they're located in India. With Equifax, they're located in the Philippines. With Experian, they're located in two separate regions because it's the biggest credit bureau. They're located in Chile and Jamaica. Now, these companies, or the processors, each one of them have a quota. Now, their quota, they have a 6-hour shift, and they have 90 disputes that they have to go through. 90. So they're disputing it on an auto response at a 6-hour 90 dispute rate. So I just want you to put that in your head right there. Now, there's a video on YouTube called 40 Million Mistakes, where this investigator investigates how they do this, more in depth. But I just wanted to scratch the surface on that with you guys. So if you are interested in how they do that in depth, go check out that video, 40 Million Mistakes. This investigator goes on the show 60 Minutes and exposes that process. Okay, now the processor uses EOSCAR to send your dispute via email to a third party and not the creditor. Now, I speak on these third parties, okay? Now, these third parties, when you guys dispute a charge-off, a collection, a child support, a repo, or anything of that nature, they're going to go off of your name and your address. They're going to go off of your name and your address. In that name and that address, they're going to send that to the third party, which is sagestream and ID Analytics. Now, in my credit repair manuscript, I tell you exactly what you need to do with those companies and how you need to do it with those companies so that when those processors go to use that third party to validate those items, your charge-offs, your collections, your student loans, your repos, your child support, they utilize that third party to validate that. So, I won't go into depth and let you know exactly what you need to do. Get the credit repair manuscript so that you know how to do that properly. But I'm just letting you know what this process is. Now, know that sagestream and ID Analytics has a report on you that they use to validate your items. Once it scans for that item, they find it and it's considered verified. Then you will send a letter stating that your item has been verified and will remain on your credit report, and for you to contact the creditor in order to further dispute this. So people, you don't have to go through receiving letters and they're saying that it's verified, and then it not coming off your credit report and you giving up. Don't give up. Just because they say that it's verified, you can dispute it. You can send them a letter with 100 separate times. They say it's verified, send them another one. They say it's verified, send them another one. But you'll be shooting blindly in the dark if you don't have a target to hit when you are asking them to dispute something. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, in detail, in Section 609 and in Section 611, tells them exactly how they need to report, who they need to talk to, and they need to give you that information on who they spoke to. And if they do not, then it automatically needs to come up off of there, because then you can actually go into litigation. And when you go into litigation with the credit bureaus, they don't want that. They're not trying to pay you, all kind of money for damages and false reporting, when all they have to do is just remove an item off. So I highly encourage you guys to get that credit repair manuscript, or leave me a comment, send me an email, hit me up on any social media platform and I will get you the answers that you need. Because I'm not doing this for money. I'm doing this so that you guys can be financially literate, especially when you're going towards these credit bureaus who are falsely reporting all the time. Now, I hope this helps, fam. Peace.